fucking job sucked a fucking dick anyway. This 9 to 5 can suck my cock. I'd rather eat shit than punch that clock. Monday through Friday is a hassle. Everybody here is an asshole. Today's the day I grow some balls. Stop jacking off in the bathroom stall and blowing my load in the sink and telling what I really think. Fuck this job, fuck you boss, fuck your profit and fuck your off.